Respected Kamal Nath Ji, Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Brahmdatt, Secretary Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nirmaljeet Singh, DGRD and Special Secretary, Shri Panoy Roy, President and co-founder of NDTV, Shri P.K. Sikdar, Road Safety Expert, Shri Rajpal, Secretary IRF, India, representatives of central and state government departments, all stakeholders in the road sector, distinguished invitees, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. We have gathered here today to bring home to this august gathering and through it to the nation at large the grave problem of road accidents and consequential deaths which have reached an epidemic status in India. This joint initiative of MORTH and IRF India is going to make a difference in the country in terms of reduction of road fatalities. International Road Federation India is a part of the world body which represents 80 member countries for promoting and advocating safe road developments. In the world, over 1.3 million people die and 50 million people are injured on roads every year. India has the dubious distinction of leading in road fatalities worldwide. 1.25 lakh people die on our roads every year, which amounts to 15 deaths per hour. It means one jumbo crashes every single day in India on our roads. This is the magnitude of the problem. I strongly recommend that the government may consider giving tax benefits to corporate or individuals on amounts spent by them towards this national cause. We need to change the mindset of the authorities. The same planning commission who came out with the staggering figures of 3% loss of GDP every year has for some strange reason been advocating, nay, insisting on the professionals to cut corners in the engineering design of roads to make them the projects viable. An optimal balance needs to be established in terms of these provisions. However, when in doubt, remember that over-engineering is better than under-engineering. In fact, I would advocate that we must provide all features required for road safety, irrespective of the cost. I strongly recommend that 1% of the budget of NHAI should be spent exclusively on measures connected with road safety. It would be prudent to make this investment and reduce the accidents and thus bring down the loss of GDP from 3% to 2% to 1% and below in a gradual manner. This will be a good way to educate the masses. Please lend a helping hand in whatever way you can to this mission. I am sure each one of you can assist us in this national campaign. Let road safety be our mission from today. This is a national yajna. No ahuti in the yajna is small. I strongly urge all of you to give us at least one ahuti in this yajna.